Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. Now once you're here guys, you have to tap on this menu button over here and just go tap on avatar, and here you have to click on double A to enable the desktop mode, because this avatar return works on only desktop or on the PC or laptops. Now once you're here guys, just tap on the head and body and go to here, and now you can see that I have equipped 4 hairs simultaneously. How did I do that? So basically, if I am unselect 3 of them, and if I'm trying to select again 2 hairs or more than 2 hairs, it doesn't work. So what you have to do, you have to hold a new accessories, copy the link address or to the new hair and copy the link address, and just tap on this add button over here and paste your ID or link address here. Just copy the asset ID from this URL. Once you copy, go back to avatar editor, and now you can see this advanced option here. Tap on it and paste your asset ID over here and paste. Just tap on this save button to equip multiple hairs. So more than 2 hairs. If you want to more than 2 hairs, then you have to repeat the same steps. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.